Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If you're seeing a red X on your speaker icon and Windows is saying no audio device installed or no output device found, don't worry, this is a very common issue on Windows 10 and 11. Now, most of the time, this is just a driver or service problem, not a hardware failure. So in this video, I'll walk you through the most reliable methods to try to bring your sound back. Let's get started. Let's start with the simplest step, and that's to do a full restart, not a shutdown. Restart reloads all Windows services properly, and this alone fixes the issue for many users. If that didn't work for you, let's right-click on the speaker icon and choose Troubleshoot and Sound Problems, and let Windows scan and follow any prompts. That usually detect basic issues like disabled devices or crashed audio services. From the taskbar search, let's type Control Panel and open it from the results. From the drop-down box, select Small Icons and let's click on Sound. Go to the Playback tab and right-click the empty white area and enable Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. If your speakers or headphones show up, right-click on it and select Enable. Press the Windows key and R key, and in the Run box, let's type services.msc and hit Enter. Now let's find a service called Windows Audio. Once you find it, double-click on it and make sure the startup type is automatic and the status is running. Otherwise, press the Start button. Now, if it's already running, right-click on it and select Restart. Next, let's find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Double-click on it and make sure the startup type is automatic and the status is running. If it's already running, right-click on it and select Restart. This is one of the most common causes. Right-click on the Start menu and let's select Device Manager. Here, let's expand the sound, video, and game controllers. If your audio device appears, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then click on Search Automatically. If there is a yellow warning icon or the update fails, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Then click on the action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Now Windows will reinstall the driver for you. If nothing appears, check the unknown devices category and try updating or uninstalling those too. If for some reason Windows can't find the correct audio driver, you can download it manually from your PC or laptop manufacturer's website. First, let's find the exact model number. Let's press the Windows and R keys, and in the Run box, type MS Info 32 and press Enter. This should open the System Information window. Now let's look for the system model. This is your device's exact model number. If you need the serial number, just look for Systems Queue or serial number. And once you have that, open a browser and let's search for the driver. Since my laptop is an MSI, I will search for MSI followed by the word drivers. And I'll just select this first link from the result. On this page, I will type in the search box my model number or serial number. and select my device. Then open the drivers or audio sound section and download the correct audio driver for my Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then install it and restart my computer. This is often the most accurate and reliable fix. Static charge can sometimes prevent Windows from detecting hardware. So let's shut down your PC, unplug the power cable, remove all connected devices such as your mouse and keyboard. If it's a laptop with a removable battery, take it out. And now let's hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds to drain all charges. Once done, reconnect everything and turn it back on. This forces Windows to reinitialize the audio hardware. Sometimes corrupted system files can break the audio components. From the taskbar search, type cmd, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, let's type SFC /scannow and hit enter. And wait for the scan to complete. If it repairs anything, restart your PC and check your sound again. And that's it. These are the best and most reliable method to fix the no audio device installed issue on Windows 10 and 11. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method fixed it for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.